I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm using Dusky Pink, the Green Glow Micro Shards and some of the new flame stickers that we have available on the website. I'll be using the number 12 aqua brush, the pastel pink one, and we have some new ones coming. Honestly, you guys are going to be shook. They are freaking amazing. So don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Glitter Planet UK and also myself at Ninja Nail Fairy, because I'll be posting all the updates there and I'll be doing a giveaway as well. So this brush is 100% Kalinsky and is perfect for applying acrylic. I absolutely love it. So I've already applied my tips. These are the pointed almond tips and I've cut them short, and I've applied my clear base as well. Now I'm coming in with Dusky Pink Elite Acrylic Art Powder available on my website, and I'm just applying a nice thin layer, making sure to get a good coverage over the entire nail. And this one's just going to be plain Dusky Pink, and then I'll do another one in the Dusky Pink, but I'll add the flame decal to them as well. So for this set, I wanted to do something super short because we just got a new puppy and we are going camping for a week as well. So I just wanted to have some nails on that looked really pretty and nice. Not saying that I can't do things with long nails, but I used to, do you know what I mean? Like a new puppy, she's kind of jumping around everywhere. I don't want to poke her in the eye or anywhere, to be honest. So I just have to be careful. So I thought it would be good just to shorten them down just while she's in training mode, calming down a bit. Next, I'm coming in with the Green Glow Micro Shards, and these have been absolutely amazing. You guys have loved them. We've already sold out once. We've also sold out of the flame set, the holographic one, once already. In fact, that's still sold out, but the other three are available. And we've managed to restock the Micro Shards as well. I'm just applying them with a little bit of clear acrylic and then moving them around the nail to where I want them exactly, making sure that they are laying smooth and flat. And as you saw there, just removing any extra bits that are kind of not really doing anything and don't need to be there. These Micro Shards are so fine, so they are super easy to apply to the nail. They're not chunky at all. If anything, they are more of a finer glitter. They're so good to work with. I absolutely love them, and so effective over different colours as well. So as well, we have been working on another collection, the coloured acrylics. I think there's 11 colours in this collection, and it's the Circus collection. I'm hoping to get a swatch video up for you guys before it launches so you can see, and if you want to get your hands on it, then you can obviously, you know, whether you want to get the full set or single colours. Yeah, I've loved working on this collection. It's been a freaking bomb. So they are all colours or shimmers. There are no glitter ones in this one, I don't think. I think I'll wait till the next collection to do that. So yeah, that should be available soon. So on this nail I'm just applying Dusky Pink and making sure that it's nice and smooth, because this one is going to be where I apply the flame decal, and you really want to try and have it on a smooth surface or smooth area. The smoother and kind of flatter the better, so that you don't get any crinkles in it or any kind of, not blemishes, but you know, if like it crinkles a little bit, it kind of changes the appearance ever so slightly. So for the pinky finger, I'm coming in and I'm doing a very subtle baby boomer. I'm using Blizzard White Acrylic and I'm just applying it to the tip and blending and feathering that up using the very tip of my brush and a very gentle pressure. Once I've done that, I do let it dry fully. I find that the powders blend a lot better if you allow them to dry and then come in with the cover powder once it's completely dry, because then you're going to get a better blend and it's not kind of going to mix up and go all meshy and dirty. So whilst the pinky is drying, I'm going to move on to the thumbnail and I'm going to do a extended nail bed. And I say extended nail bed even though it's very mildly extended, just because, well, it's a reverse French basically. I'm applying toasted rose, patting it with my brush, making sure that it's flat and there's no kind of like raised edge near the cuticle area, if that makes sense. So I'm really making it flush and having the higher edge at the smile line, making sure to tuck that product in with my brush. So I apply my second cuticle bead, and this bead was slightly too large for its area, but I still managed to work it very well. It didn't run anywhere and it wasn't uncontrollable. Just definitely should have chose a smaller bead though. But hey ho, save the day. Moving back to the pinky nail, and I'm coming in with that toasted rose. I'm applying my first bead. For this bead I have drained some of the liquid out of the brush and I'm just going to blend it over the white and feather it down really nicely. You don't want to completely cover that white, you just want to create a nice transitional kind of effect. And then I'll come in with my cuticle bead and blend that down as well. So now it's time for the flames, and honestly, freaking bomb. So glad we managed to get these in the shop, on the website, should I say. You guys have gone crazy for them, so thank you so much for being freaking bomb. These are freaking amazing. So I'm just removing the flame that I want, and I do get my scissors and just trim, because I knew, obviously I've already done my other hand, I knew that I needed to trim this flame down for where I wanted to put it, and just because my nails were so short, so I just cut the end off there. I did have to cut a little bit more off again once I'd measured it up to the nail, but that's fine. You can really customize these as much or as little as you want. They are super effective. So the flames are self-adhesive, so all you need to do is obviously find where you want to put them on your nail, lay them there, and then press them down firmly, but still being careful. You don't want to kind of mess it up. You want everything to lay really nicely, and then you literally just cap. You can cap with gel, hard gel should I say, and acrylic. Obviously I'm going to be doing acrylic because that's what we are doing today, an acrylic set. I just love how they look, so freaking mesmerizing, and we have 16 colors available, 4 sets, so there's 4 sets of 4, and I think they're around $5 or $5.50 each, I can't remember. We've put so many new things on the website, it's been absolutely crazy. Can you see that little bit of glitter in that clear bead? I was just like, no, you are not coming along for the ride. So I obviously discarded of that bead and got a fresh bead, and I'm just capping that flame nicely. And then I'll cap the rest of the nails and also add my white to the thumb, to the smile line. So the best part about doing a reverse French or a reverse smile line is the filing off and revealing that beautiful crisp line. So I'm just using the ceramic bit from my website and my e-file, and I'm just removing that excess product, and just look how beautiful that reveal is. It's so freaking stunning. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply Super Gloss No Wipe Top Coat and cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Once I've done that, I'll apply some cuticle oil, massage that in, and then show you guys the final result. So guys, this is the final result. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I loved creating it. And finally I have a matching set and they are so cute even though they are super short. I actually love wearing my nails like this. Anyway, if you loved it as well, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below as well, just because I want to say hi to you guys. I'll be replying to everyone. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Always remember that you are bomb.com. Let us fuck and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.